Most people, after they sold the company for $3 billion, would just kick back and relax.
I'm not most people. Besides, after taxes and the lawyers are through with you, you're lucky if you see $1.5 billion.
My heart bleeds. Black Canary.
Green Arrow. I've noticed you around.
I know. You happy punching the bag, or you want to go a few rounds with me? I am talking about sparring.
That'd be nice, too. You're telegraphing. You gotta center yourself.
Center myself. Got it. You're good.
You should see me when I'm trying.
I'd like that. In fact, I could use your help on something. But the league can't know. I'll explain once we're on the surface.
I don't know. Sounds fishy.
I promise. It's for a good cause. How about a wager? If I can get out of this hold, you help me.
Deal.
I'll drive.